Hey guys, Crystal here from Elite Hair Care USA. So this is going to be a quick tutorial on how to mold your short style. Why am I doing this tutorial? Well, because I have a lot of clients who are coming in for transformation styles. I have a lot of clients who have shortcuts, and you guys don't always understand the molding process and the importance of the molding process. So to get started, I combed her hair down in the direction that I potentially am going to style it. And then I applied some of our Elite Silk Wrap Foam. Now, a common mistake that people make when they're using wrap foam is they take that pump and they pump it over their entire head. That is actually wasting a lot of product. If you guys notice, I just pumped some in my hands and then I placed it on the hair, and I still had more than enough to allow for a nice smooth mold. So keep that in mind whenever you're using our wrap foam. A little goes a very long way. And directionalizing the hair at the beginning of the process will make your mold a lot easier to manage, because you'll be able to see exactly where you're going and where you want it to place certain areas of hair, that kind of thing. Now, for clients who have trouble areas where maybe you have an illusion, where we're using hair in the front of your head to cover your hairline, if you guys notice how I mold my clients, regardless if it's an illusion or not, is I mold the hair going towards the face, and then I create the hairline. I don't like to do the down mold because the down mold will give the emphasis of any area that has trouble. So I always want to make sure that I'm creating that illusion so that you're not seeing those areas. So I do what we call down and around. So whenever you are molding the hair, you go down and around. Think that in your head, 100%. This is the same concept when you are doing a typical hair wrap at night for you to go to bed. Now, those little white papers that you guys saw me put around the hairline, those are called end papers. Those papers work really, really well. It allows the hair to dry a lot faster, but it keeps those areas nice and secure. And once the paper dries, the hair is also dry. So that gives you an indication that the hair is dry. Now, my client here, she's actually getting ready for her daughter's wedding. So we went ahead and added a couple pieces in the front of her face just to give her a little bit of density, a little bit more length. This is also an option for anyone with a short style. Don't be boring with your short hair, you guys. This is something where you can play with it. You can add a couple tracks. It won't hurt anything. You are able to add color pieces, put a little emphasis towards the face, that kind of thing. Be creative when it comes onto your shortcuts. If you guys notice, I did not put the tracks in her hair until her hair was fully dry and she was out of the dryer. Now, my client here actually came to me, and when she first came, we did not have enough hair to even cover tracks on the top of her head. Now she's growing her hair out and her hair is in amazing shape. She doesn't have any missing areas. When she first came, we had a lot of gaps and holes in her hair from a lot of trauma to the actual hair itself. Now look at the length of her hair, guys, and we've cut her hair numerous times. Just this time around, with these last couple months, she's decided that she wants to fully grow it out. So we're not doing any sort of cutting in regards to the length of her hair. But when I tell you guys that my client has been coming to me for at least over a year, and when she came, we could not add tracks because we didn't have enough hair in certain areas to even cover the base of the track. In the meantime, she's been coming faithfully. She follows my directions at home. We literally make sure that her hair is in tip-top shape, and her density is absolutely amazing. She has a lot of volume. Her hair feels great, and it's continuously growing out. We usually would cut it at this point of the phase and go back to her short style, but as I said, she's growing it out. Now, one thing I like to notate when it comes onto your wrap foam: if a wrap foam is indeed a really good foam, the hair itself will be nice and shiny. It will have a nice luster. It won't be heavy on the hair, nor does it flake. Those are all great properties of the Elite Silk Wrap Foam. Our foam is actually one of a kind. It doesn't flake. It's nice and light. It puts a nice sheen on the hair, but it doesn't feel like you have a bunch of product on the hair. And that's something that I find very important when you are dealing with products. You do not want products that you have to do a lot of work after you've used that product. And that's the great thing about Elite Hair Care USA products. And that's something that I pride myself on, for really just developing a line that I can 100% stand behind with no questions whatsoever. Now, I'm doing diagonal partings in her crown area just to curl her hair and blend it with the extensions. This is also a technique that you can use at home whenever you're trying to blend extensions. The worst thing that you can do is part out the extension and curl it piece by piece, because it's not going to blend. You're going to work a lot harder. So what I like to do is I do diagonal partings where I encase the extensions and your hair together, and they blend really, really well because I'm actually curling them together. So I'm telling them to do something. You have to be able to tell your hair what you need it to do. And once you are able to do so, you will notice that your styling time, that your styles, that your finish, everything will come out seamless because you are in control, not your hair. Okay? Let me be clear about that. Anyhow, I have not applied any other products on her hair outside of the Elite Silk Wrap Foam and our Frizz Tamer and Shine Serum. I know a lot of you have been using our Frizz Tamer and Shine Serum, and a lot of you have not been using our Frizz Tamer and Shine Serum, not knowing that it seals the cuticle, it adds luster, and it is also a heat protectant on the actual hair. So guess what? I do not use a lot of product, you guys. I'm real simplistic when it comes onto hair care. I'm real simplistic when it comes onto hair styling. I believe too much product is just going to build up on the hair. So definitely Elite hair care products are the way to go. Now, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Please don't forget to hit that thumbs up when you're watching this video. Comment down below. Tell me some of the Elite hair care products that you're using and how they've helped your hair in respects to your hair growth journey, or your hair repair, or your hair damage repair and replenishing journey. All right, you guys, and please don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you guys know when I'm on live and when I post my videos. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll let you guys watch the finished style.